these guys last season, 2 games apiece. Should be a good one.
Long time no see. I'm coming on here to do a quick review. This review is from our friends over at Thomason and a company called TriVision. I want to thank both companies for choosing me to do this review. I will be bringing to you all today the Clever Dog Wi-Fi Smart Camera. The box is open because I was looking through a few things. And of course, if you see me looking down, I am looking at my notes that I have wrote down for you lovies. So you all can go and check this product out. It's very, very affordable. And of course, I'm bringing this to you before just in time for Christmas. So just in case you want to gift this item to someone, you can. It will make a great gift idea. So yeah, the camera itself looks like this. Very cute. You have your volume button here and power button, well, the Wi-Fi and power button and volume button, and this basically indicates, you know, power on, Wi-Fi, and then your mic is here. So this item resells for $34.99 on Amazon.com. All information will be in the description box, so be sure to check there. This price is without installation. Now, if you feel as if you need someone to install this for you, you want to add $159 to that price. So yes, but and that's per unit in your home. If you, like I said, if you feel like you need professional installing, Amazon does offer professional installing with this camera. So it does come in many other colors. I have the gray. It also comes in blue, orange, and pink as well. It has a 3.8 out of 5 stars on Amazon. And it was posted around March 30th, I saw on there. Your package comes with, it looks like this, and the camera comes in here. But I had a hard time trying to get it back in there. But your package comes, it will come with, of course, your Wi-Fi camera here. It will come with your USB cable right here. It will also include an adapter for your USB cable, which is excellent. It's not battery operated. You also have your screws. You have 4 screws in here to install yourself, and which my fiance will be putting this up for me. And then we have this here that you can put your camera on, as you can see here, which it fits right onto that little piece right there. So yeah, which is so cute. And it does, you're able to swivel it, and if you need to loosen it up, you just, this here, you just unscrew, and it is able to swivel around. And then you also get your user manual inside that details everything that you need to know about this camera. It is a TriVision Cloud Cam HD indoor wireless IP security camera. It does have a motion sensor. It does have the IR vision. It is a wide angle camera. It's great for your home, office, baby nursery, pet monitor, and you do have to download the Clever Dog app, which is available on Apple or Android. So that is great. And the app, basically, you're able to, that's where you can view everything that this camera sees. You're able to see everything that this camera sees. It is a motion sensor camera, so it can take and it will take pictures of, you know, some things if the camera itself is set off. You do get 1-year warranty with this camera as well. And it weighs about 4 ounces, and it is 3.9 by 1.6 by 1.4 as far as the product dimensions. Basically gives you an idea, you know, of how big it is. It's smaller than my hand. So yeah. It is two-way audio. Well, on the app, it has the two-way audio, and it allows you to see, hear, and speak if you need to, say for instance, to baby or pets, or, you know, maybe your kids. So yeah. And you can use it. It has the mic, which is here, right there. And basically that's how you hear, you know, when you speak through the app, that's how you hear, is through the mic. So yeah, definitely go and check out this camera, this Wi-Fi smart, sorry y'all, this Wi-Fi smart camera by TriVision. I think this will be a wonderful, wonderful gift idea, especially with so much, you know, going on these days. You definitely need some type of we have home security in our house, and it just makes you feel a little safer, you know. So yeah, I think this camera itself would definitely come in handy. And like I said, it comes in 3 other colors. So definitely check this out, and definitely check it out on Amazon.com. I will leave the link down below, and if I have any coupon codes, they will be down below as well. I hope you lovers have a wonderful, wonderful holiday, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you babes in the next one.